Hello and welcome to the Cyber Monday Amazon deals. Let's check out the best and cheapest 3D printers currently available during this time. There are only a few 3D printers currently having the Cyber Monday special. The most expensive one is this one right here, $1,571. And the cheapest one I found is this one right here, the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro 3D printer, $231 with a savings of roughly $70. It has a 4.6 out of 5 stars. This is for small scale printing because the printing size is 5.1 inch by 3.1 by 6.3 inch. And the next option is this right here, the $280 Sane Smart. This is a carving machine or etching machine. It's not really for 3D printing, so let's disregard that one. So the next cheapest option under $300 is the longer LK5 Pro 3D printer, which allows you to build larger size, almost 12 inches by 12 inches with a height of 15 or 16 inches. And this one has a $52 off during Cyber Monday deal. And up here we got the Anycube Viper 3D printer with a 9.6 by 9.6 by about 10 inch, so smaller than the LK5 right here. So this is probably the best value right now, unless you want the cheapest option, the $231. But this one is small scale printing, good for printing small things and beginner friendly. And the best bang for your buck is the LK5 Pro 3D printer. It's got a 4.3 out of 5 star, pretty good. I'll leave the links down below for you guys to check out the Cyber Monday deals page, along with links to the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro 3D printer and the LK5 Pro 3D printer. Okay, thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more hot, interesting deals coming up. Thanks again and happy shopping.